Good morning, children. In previous class, I asked to write the introduction of polynomials and also asked to read. Now, today we are going to do some problems based on the what is polynomial, which is called polynomials, what is polynomial in single term, and degree of the polynomial. Given algebraic expression is polynomial or not, the value of the polynomial will be discussed later. Now, which type of polynomial? That means either monomial, binomial, trinomial. First, what is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in terms of x or in variable having with positive integral as the exponent. Positive integral as the exponent. That is called the polynomial. If any algebraic expression contains negative exponent for variable, then it is not a polynomial. Here, standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. If power is 2, it is called the quadratic polynomial. Power is 1, it is a linear polynomial. Power is 3, cubic polynomial. 4, biquadratic polynomial. And like that we will continue. Now here ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial of standard form in variable x. Okay now 2x square plus 3 by x plus 4x is not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Here 3 by x. 3 by x means here x power minus 1. If you are writing in the numerator, it becomes x power minus 1. So x power minus 1 means it is a negative integer as the exponent. In generally, polynomial is a positive integral form, in exponent form. So here negative integer we are getting in the exponent. So it is not a polynomial. In the same way, 2x square, 2y, 3z, 3i, these all are called the polynomials of one variable in single term. That is also called the monomial. Here 2x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 4, etc. are the example for binomial. It is also in single variable. In some expression, we contains two variables. Then it is not a single variable if you are asking. Now degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest exponent of the highest exponent in the given expression, comparing all terms. Comparing all terms, which is the highest exponent, that is called the degree of the polynomial. If each term contains more than one or two variables, we should add the exponents of all the variables in each and every term. Which is greater, that is the degree of the polynomial. Okay now today we are going to discuss some problems. Here you asked to write some polynomial with variable x. As you wish, you may write 2x square plus 3x plus 4 like that, or 4x square plus 5x plus 6. As you wish, you may write any polynomial with variable x. Next, write 3 polynomials with variable y. Just like the x, you have to write y. Y power 15 minus 16 power 16, y power 4, like that. As you wish, you may write. Is the polynomial 2x square plus 3xy plus 5y square is in one variable? No, it is not in one variable. Why? Because here x and y both variables exist here. That is in two variables it is. It is a polynomial of two variables, not a one variable. Write the formula of area and volume of different solid shapes. Find out variables and constant terms in them. Write all the formulas what you know now or what you learned in the previous classes up to 8th class. Up to 8th class, what you learned about the algebraic or geometrical figures and solids. That were areas and volumes. If you want to write perimeters, then perimeters or circumferences both are same. Write, and in that we have to write the which is constant, which is variable. Now we are going to discuss degree of the polynomial. Here let's see, do this. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Here 7x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. 7x cube plus 5x square plus 2x minus 6. In this highest exponent is what? Is 7x cube, x power 3 here, x power 2 here, x power 1. 3 is the highest exponent. So degree of this polynomial is 3. In the same way here 7 minus x minus, here 7 minus x plus 3x square, 7 minus x plus 3x square. In this, which is the highest exponent? 2 is the highest exponent. So degree of this polynomial is 2. In the same way, 5p minus root 3 here, p power 1 only, p is the variable here. So degree is 1. Here 2, only term 2 given. In this variable not exist. If variable not exists, the degree is 0. Any variable or letter or digit exponent 0, that value becomes 1. That means 2 into 1 here. That means 2 into x power 0 or y power 0, p power 0, a power 0, b power 0. Variable you have to assume. Why? Because degree is the exponent of the variable only. Highest exponent. So here highest exponent is 0. So degree of the polynomial is 0, or also it is called the constant polynomial. Here minus 5xy square. Here we have two terms. Two variables, sorry, only one term, but it is contains two variables. So x exponent is 1, y exponent is 2. So total is how much? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So degree is 3 here. Degree is 3 here. Write the coefficient of the x square in each of the following. Coefficient means before the variable what digits are existing, that are called the coefficients. That are called the coefficients. Before the variable, which variable you need? X square here. Before the x square, what number exists here? Plus 2. So coefficient of x square is 2. In the same way, 1 minus x square. Here coefficient is no digit mentioned. That means 1 is there. So before that, what symbol you have? Minus. So minus 1. Coefficient of x square is here minus 1. Next, pi x square minus 3x plus 5. Here coefficient of x square is what? Pi. In the same way, root 2x square plus 5x minus 1. In this, coefficient of x square is root 2. Root 2. And degree of the polynomial here mentioned. Okay, now. Degree of the polynomial not defined. 0 polynomial. 0 constant polynomials. And it is which type of monomials? Polynomials these are. Variable in polynomial in single variable. Degree 1. Here quadratic polynomial you have to write in your own. Next, cubic polynomial is given here. Okay, in the same way here, types of polynomial according to number of terms. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial. Here two are missed, that one you have to write. Next, do this problem. Write a polynomial with two terms in variable x. In variable x, two terms. Here already you learned so many problems. As you wish, you may write 2a plus 3b. Sorry, 2a plus 3 only one variable x, na? Variable x. So 2x plus 3 or 100x plus 105, 200x plus 1000, like that. You may write any. How can you write a polynomial with 15 terms in variable p? 15 terms in variable p. 15 terms when you are getting p power 14. Exponent plus 1 number of terms. Maximum number of terms will be getting exponent plus 1 term. Highest exponent plus 1 term we are getting. Minimum is you may write any as you wish. Here p power 14 onwards you have to write. P power 14 plus p power 13 plus p power 12 plus p power up to without p 0. That means constant term. Now next, come to exercise. In this, find the degree of the polynomial in given below. Now only I explained. Here highest exponent is what in first question? 5 is the highest exponent. So degree of this polynomial is 5. Here highest exponent is how much? 2. So degree of the x square plus x minus 5 is 2. It is constant polynomial 5. So constant polynomial degree is how much? I said now only 0. Here highest exponent 6. Here highest exponent 2. So degree of the 4 minus y square is 2. In the same way 5t minus root 3. Here degree is 1. Why? Because here highest exponent is 1. 5t minus root 3. 5t minus root 3. So highest exponent is 1. Which of the following equations are polynomial in one variable, and write the give reason for your answer. Here 3x square minus 2x plus y. It is total in variable x only. So it is polynomial in single variable. Yes, it is. X square plus root 2. It is also yes. Why? Because only one term contain. Only one variable. P square minus 3p plus q. P square minus 3p plus q. So it is, how many terms here contains? 2. Q also a variable here. So it is not a single term, single variable. So it is not a polynomial of single variable. Y plus 2 by y. Here negative exponent. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. 5 root x plus x root 5. It is also a polynomial in single variable x only. X power 100 plus y power 100. X power 100 plus y power 100 means two variables it contains. So it is not a polynomial in single variable. Why? Because it contains two variables. Write the coefficient of x cube. In the do this problem, x square coefficient we wrote. Here x cube coefficient you should write. Okay now. Next, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic. If power is 2, it is a quadratic. If highest exponent is 1, it is a linear. Highest exponent is 3, then it is a cubic. Here highest exponent is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Here highest exponent is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Here highest exponent is 3, so it is cubic polynomial. Here also highest exponent is 2, so it is quadratic polynomial. Here highest exponent is what? 1, so it is linear polynomial. It is also 3p. It is also a linear polynomial. Why? Because here power is 1. Pi r square. It is quadratic polynomial. Why? Because here degree is 2. Degree is 2. In the same way, next question. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. A binomial can have at the most two terms. Binomial means polynomial which contains two terms, that only called the binomial. Binomial means what? A polynomial which contains two terms. Must and should. Two terms only. Then it is called the binomial. So it is true. Every polynomial is a binomial. It may be or may not be. Every polynomial is binomial. It is false. Monomial also a polynomial, trinomial also a polynomial, multinomial also called the polynomial. So it is false. A binomial may have degree 3. A binomial have degree 3. Yes, true. 2x square plus, degree 3 na. So 3x cube minus 2. 3x cube minus 2. Here given in the fourth question, x minus x cube. It is also a cubic polynomial. It is also a cubic polynomial, but it contains only two terms. So it is called the binomial. Like this you may write any. Degree of the 0 polynomial is 0. Degree of 0 polynomial is 0. Yes. The degree of the x square plus 2x plus y square is 2. Degree is how much? Here highest exponent, here 2, here 1 is 2, here also 2. So degree is 2. Pi r square is a monomial. Yes, it is a monomial. Why? Because here only contains one term. Give one example each of monomial and trinomial of degree 10. Trinomial and monomial of degree 10. You may write like this. Here x power 10 monomial examples. Monomial of degree 10. Degree 10 or x power 10 y power 10 p power 10 or 3x power 10 like this. Next, trinomial of degree 10 or 3x power 10 plus 2x plus or 3. It is also a trinomial. Next, 4x power 10 plus 4x power 5 plus x. As you wish, you may write. How many you are asking here? Give one example only you are asking. Write in your own words. Not only this, in your own, you have to write the example of trinomial and monomial of degree 10. Okay, na? Tomorrow we will see 0 of the polynomial and value of the polynomial. Okay, na? We will find tomorrow.